Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have what matters: a registered domain and access to the server. First, verify DNS/IA records resolved to your host and log in via SSH or control panel. Install Certbot for Let's Encrypt or prepare your purchase certificate files. Once done, test with staging certs to avoid rate limits and confirm your web server identity, Nginx or Apache, so the tool uses the right plugin. This gets you into the actionable path without delay. Run Certbot with the plugin that matches your server. For example, Certbot Nginx your domain. COM or use standalone if no web server is running. If wildcard or multiple subdomains are needed, choose DNS validation and add the TXT record your CA requests. Wait for propagation, then continue. Certbot writes full chain, PEM and privkey. PEM, make sure your Nginx or Apache config points to these files and test the config. Once the cert is installed, after reloading, force HTTPS with a 301 redirect and consider enabling HSDS only after confirming renewals work. Set up auto-renewal, create a cron job or enable systemd timer and test using Certbot renew dry run to confirm renewal succeeds. Verify the site in a browser and run an SSL checker. Look for mixed content errors and replace HTTP assets. Troubleshooting tip: if renewal fails, check DNS and port 80/443 reachability, and inspect Certbot logs for specific errors to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.